Alright, we're gonna do an oil change on this 2013 GSXR 1000. So you want to start by taking off the passenger side panel, and you got a couple Allen key screws, some plastic buttons at the bottom right here that like sandwich the two fairings together. So I'm gonna start taking the screws out. So you're probably gonna be using a 4mm, and the big one's like a 5, I think. So I think that's all you're really gonna need is a 4 and a 5mm Allen key metric. Let me get these fairings off. Okay, well, we're getting low on battery power. Alright, so just gonna wipe this down a bit. Make sure it's nice and clean. This motor's looking superb right now. I'll take the plate down. Oh no, you know what? If I take the plate off, it's gonna leak. It's gonna drip onto the muffler. So I'll leave the plate, put the filter on, and then that pops out, that pops out. All these pop out. Alright, so I got this bolt out, that was right here, this bolt out, the big one, you pop it out of this rubber grommet, you see it's got like a little pin in there, you just pull it out, you separate these little tabs, pop those out, and right now I got little lights, like I got some lights right here, aftermarket lights, then you got this little button right here, and a button under here. Like that's what that button looks like. You want to take this thing apart and it'll separate these two fairings, it'll split it. Go inside right here, pop that out. And then the same thing for the bottom one. That's pretty much it. Alright, so like I said, you see my lights are stuck to the fairing. That's just the way I wired them. I'll just leave the fairing connected. So we got the oil filter. That's right above the exhaust pipes. And that's gonna spill, so you gotta make sure you cover the exhaust pipes. And then you got your drain plug right here. That's the drain plug. We're gonna figure out what size that is, figure out how to get this filter off, and then we'll drain the oil and change the filter, put new oil in, see how it looks. In here, I mean, I got like this weird shaped little metal plate that I've accumulated, and I'm gonna just put it like just right here, so if oil drips down here, or if it drips down the filter down to here, at least it'll catch it and it won't get on my exhaust pipe, and I won't worry about smoking while I'm riding or anything like that. I'm sure there's like a tool for this. I'm just 17mm. I don't know if you can see that. It goes right on there. The oil don't look too bad. It's just old. It's about about a year old. I just didn't change it. I only probably put maybe like 1,800 miles on my bike last year. And this is what my drain plug is looking like. Nothing too crazy. Just gonna pop this drain plug back in there. And tighten that up. Torque specs I think is 16.5 foot-pounds on the filter as well, because I got this K&N filter. Shouldn't be too tight. It only takes like 15 foot-pounds of torque, I think. Alright, oh, still got on it. Just a little bit. So just gonna wipe this down a bit. Alright, so we're gonna wet the O-ring a little bit, take a drop of that oil. Come over the plate. I'll take the plate out the way. Alright, let's see if that fits. I'll just spin it to the oil filter stops by hand. That to me, that's decent. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's plenty. Alright, that's plenty. We put the fairing back on. That's it. Got the screws on. That one. Put these two buttons in. And this is super easy, man. That's it. That shouldn't come out. The last button goes under. It goes under right here. You know, and it comes through. And you just pop that button in the center. Now it won't come apart. So you want to get your fill cap off. It might be extremely tight, and sometimes they are. You don't need to tighten it with pliers, just by hand. And you want to just pour your oil in. Remember, you got a sight glass at the bottom. I'm just gonna pour this in. And my bike supposedly takes around 3.2 quarts, I've heard. It definitely helps to have a funnel. You see the oil's dripping down into it? There you go. So right now I got 1 quart in. I'm gonna pour my 2nd quart and we're gonna see where it goes up in the fill glass. All right, look at that thing. It looks so cool. Fresh oil, nice and gold.
Honey looking?
Huh?
It looks a lot like honey.
So that's where I'm at 3 full quarts. I'm gonna try to put like 0.2 in there, make it to the top. And we're gonna take it for a spin and see if it goes down. Let's see. Oh yeah. About to add this little couple 100 milliliters. See where we're at. Hopefully that's good right there. Let's see where that puts us at. All right, there goes that oil filling up. All right, and like I said, this is after turning it on, filling up the oil filter, circulating that oil everywhere. And this is where it should be, like at all times now after I'm done riding. And while it rides, it'll have plenty as well.